Why do we need to train? To teach the most effective and safe way to operate a forklift within our workplace. But it doesn't just stop there. It's an understanding of how your actions and responses to coworkers, stress, and change dictate the safety of your environment. Similar to driving your car, when you operate a forklift, you need to be diligent and aware at all times. Your company should have a written guideline and rules for operating any powered industrial truck. During your hands-on assessment, be sure to review the written criteria to understand any unique aspects, especially when handling or managing hazardous materials, as well as any workplaces which may include additional hazards. You also have a reasonable assumption to protect yourself, others, and your workplace by operating in a safe and controlled manner at all times. This also includes having a knowledge and understanding of the powered industrial truck you are driving and how your environment can play a critical role in your ability to work safely. The maintenance of your equipment and forklift is the responsibility of not only your company, but also yourself. As a regular operator, you need to thoroughly inspect your powered industrial truck for any related concerns. Be sure to lock out and tag out any vehicle which has become a hazard. The ability to work safely is linked directly to your discipline to maintain it, along with your overall focus on working safely in your environment.